ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಆರ್ಬಿ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ 1 ಟೆಕ್ನಿಷಿಯನ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ 35 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, in which of the following is the base unit of length in the international system of units? ಸೊ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಂತ್ SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟರ್, ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್, ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ and millimeter. So the right answer option A is the right answer, meter. So explanation ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ meter is the SI unit of length. So it is used to measure the distance and dimensions. ಇದನ್ನ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ವೈಲ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್, centimeters and millimeters are derived units based on the meter. They are not the base units. They are just derived units. Second question, what is the SI unit of mass? SI unit, the mass the SI unit ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ so options are gram, kilogram, pound and ounce. So the right answer kilogram. So kilogram ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ kilogram is the SI unit or base unit of mass. Mass ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is defined as the mass of the international prototype of kilogram. International prototype of kilogram. Mass of the, it is defined as the mass of the international prototype of the kilogram. So gram, pounds and ounce are not a base units in the SI system but are derived units or alternate units. Third question, which unit is used to measure electric current in the SI system? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ಗೆ SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವೋಲ್ಟ್, ಆಂಪಿಯರ್, ಓಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್. ಇದು ಭಾಳ ಸಲ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಂಪಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಆಂಪಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ದ SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆರ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೆಜರ್ ದಿ ಆಂಪಿಯರ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಇದು ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೆಜರ್ ದಿ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ವೋಲ್ಟ್ electric potential, volt electric potential, ohm resistance and watt measures power. So electric current ampere, electric potential volt, ohm resistance, watt power. So and next question, the SI unit of time. SI unit time, the SI unit ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ minute, hour, second and day. So the right answer second. So second is the SI unit or base unit of time. It is standard unit. It is standard unit used to measure the duration of time, duration of events. Minutes, hours and days are units, derived units based on seconds. And fifth question, which of the following is the base unit of temperature in the SI system? ಕೆಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್, ಫ್ಯಾರನೈಟ್, ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಾನ್ಕೈನ್. ಸೊ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ SI unit for temperature and it is used to scientific measurements and based on absolute zero. It is used to scientific measurement and based on absolute zero. So Celsius and Fahrenheit are not a base units but are related to temperature. ಅಂದ್ರೆ Celsius ಮತ್ತು Fahrenheit ಅವು ಬೇಸ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ Rankine, and option D, Rankine is used to thermodynamics, used in thermodynamics but not as a SI unit. ಈ Rankine ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನು thermodynamics ಒಳಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ but not a SI unit. And sixth question, the unit of amount of a substance in the SI system. ಅಂದ್ರೆ substance SI system ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ mole, liter, gram, electron volt. So the right answer option A, mole. So mole is the SI unit or base unit of amount of substance. It measures the quantity of particles. Mole, it measures quantity of particles. It measures the quantity of particles such as atoms, molecules, etc. in a sample. Liter measures the volume. Grams measures the mass. And electron volt measures the electron volts or energy units. Electron volt to energy units. So next question, what is the SI unit of luminous intensity? Luminous intensity the SI unit kedare. So the options are lux, candela, lumen and watt. So the right answer candela. And explanation, candela is the base unit of luminous intensity which measures the power of light emitted in a specific direction. Andre candela measures the power of light emitted in a specific direction, candela. And lux, it measures the illumination. And lumen measures the luminous flux. And watt measures the power. And question number 8, which of the following units used to measure the force in SI system? Force SI unit Newton, Joule and Pascal, watt. So the right answer Newton. Force SI unit Newton. It measures the amount of force applied to an object. Force it measures the amount of force. Newton it measures the amount of force applied to an object. Again, joules energy. Pascal measures the pressure, and watt measures the power. So question number 9, SI unit of energy. SI unit of energy, joule, watt, Newton and Pascal. So the right answer joule. Option A is a joule. And the explanation nodidre, joule is the SI unit of energy. It means amount of measure amount of work done or energy transferred. Watt measures the power. Watt measures the power, Newton measures the force, and Pascal measures the pressure. So last question, SI unit of pressure. So SI unit of pressure, option C is the right answer, Pascal. So Pascal SI unit of pressure the Pascal. So it measures the force applied per unit area. Pascal it measures the force applied per unit area. Joules measures energy, and Newton measures force, and watts measures power. So the land surveyor ಮತ್ತು RRB grade 1 technician ಗೆ help ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.